G'day ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls and everyone in between. Welcome back to howtoplaythesax.com, where we are all about having fun, playing saxophone, being awesome and repeating the whole process. And in this lesson, this is part 2 of a 2-part series. Part 1 we did Electric Light Orchestra's Don't Bring Me Down, the verse melody. In this lesson, part 2, we're going to do the chorus. Electric Light Orchestra, Don't Bring Me Down, part 2, the chorus, So we've done the verse in the previous lesson. And if you want to, go back to the previous lesson and do the verse. But in this lesson, the chorus, just have a listen. This is the chorus. It sounds like. Yeah, that might sound familiar. That hopefully it does. So if we put that on top of the verse that we did in the previous lesson, we've got the whole song going. So with this, the chorus, let's break it down. The first little bit. Yeah, da 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 da, ba. The notes with our register keys on for most of this. B flat with the register key, thumb at the back, B flat. So we got 1, 2, and the side guy here, B flat, G sharp, F sharp. Yeah, da 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 da, B flat, G sharp, F sharp, B flat. Yeah, da 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 da. Join in with me. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, And again, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, so use your tongue to play along with the words. We are not singing, we are playing our saxophones, but we are doing the melody for this song. So if you can, try and replicate the syllables of the vocals. Ba 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 ba, don't bring me down. Bruce or Gruce or whatever that word is. Doesn't matter. We've got saxophones in the mouth. Doesn't matter what the words are. Cool. That's the first bit. Then it repeats. It's very similar. It actually adds one more note in that little descending line. So those notes, B flat, G sharp, F sharp, same as the first bit. But then we go down to an E flat. Yeah, B flat, G sharp, F sharp, E flat, ba. Back up to our B flat again. Let's just do that little line. Ba 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 ba. Join in. 1, 2, 3. And again. 1, 2, 3. Cool. So those two lines there, they're subtly different. They're 99% of the same, except there's just one note difference, and it's that E flat on the descending line. Then the part of the chorus again, we keep going, and it's the same as the first part. So let's do that again just for the giggles to solidify it under our fingers. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Cool. Then we've got the last line of the chorus. Let's break that down. Don't bring me down. F sharp, G sharp with the pinky. Those notes again, all with the register key. F sharp, G sharp with the pinky. Da 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 da. Join in. Da 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 da. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again. 2, 3, 4. Now that's halfway through the last line. The second half of the last line. Don't bring me down. I'll play that slowly. F, E flat, F, E flat, C sharp without the register key. So that F with the register key, E flat with the register key, back to an F with the register key, back to an E flat with the register key, down to a C sharp without the register key. Let's try that. You join in with me. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, 2, 3, 4. Cool, let's put those two bits together. Just have a listen. This is what we're going to do. We'll even slow it down a bit. Dun da 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 da. Join in. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, 2, 3, 4. Cool. There's the chorus. Yes, we've done the chorus. Can we play along? Let's play the chorus together. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Can we play along with ELO? Let's play along with the chorus, just the chorus, with Electric Light Orchestra. Let's give it a go. So here we go. Are you ready? On our B flats. Here we go. Last little bit. I'll tell you once more before I get off the floor. Don't bring me down. 1, 2, All right. How was that? How did you go? Awesome. I love this song. I remember it from the 70s, and not giving away my age. I was very young at the time, very young. But I do recall this song. It was good fun then, and it's good fun now. 1, 2, 3. All right. Fantastic. Fantastic. How did you go? Great song. Really good fun. It's nice. It flows. It's good fun. I enjoyed it. I hope you did too. Well done. That concludes our two-part series. Part 1 was the verse. This one, part 2, was the chorus. Really well done. Fantastic. Fantastic. I enjoyed it. Thank you for joining me. Thank you for joining me. And again, thank you for joining me. I will see you in another lesson inside the members area here at howtoplaythesax.com. Thanks. I'll see you next time. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, and everyone in between. Thanks heap for joining me in this free saxophone lesson. Please, just want to remind you, if you are looking for the full lesson, we've left a little bit out of this lesson you've just done. If you're looking for the full lesson, please become a member at howtoplaythesax.com. And I'll see you inside the members area for this full lesson and many, many, many others. I'll see you at howtoplaythesax.com. My name is Matthew. Thank you. I'll see you in another lesson.